Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohd Solehin, and today I'm going to present about you my internship program presentation at Harizah Sdn Bhd. Alright. The content of today's presentation is company background, working environment, size, and scope of work. Alright, company background. Harizah is a company that established by Hairul Anwar bin Haji Aaron as over 25 years of experience in business field. So the company was established in 2009 and active as road maintenance contractor, registered with Contractor Service Center (PKK) and CIDB Grade 4. Alright, company was specialized with modern technology development in road maintenance known as CIPR, Coal in Place Recycling. Alright, maintaining commitment and to integrity, quality, responsibility, sustainability values, and safety in every work carried out is the key to remain competitive in the industry. Alright, the vision of Harizah Sdn Bhd is becoming a business entity specialized in road maintenance work and related work across the country in 2025. And the mission of the company is performing road maintenance works with current method and technology together with high quality materials by implementing systematic and quality work process. Alright, the next one is working environment. The working environment in Harizah has very systematic and effective since road maintenance work is temporary. For example, the working period in location A is 2 days only, and on the next day, work should be done in location B. The distance between these two locations is very far. For example, Kuala Selangor and Sabak Bernam. Effective management on machinery mobilization is the main key for works to be done accordingly to the actual planning. Besides, general workers supplied were really experienced and knew their job scopes. Road maintenance work have done outdoor, which directly exposed to sunlight and bad weather. And for your information, bad weather such heavy rain will affect the work efficiency on site, so it will be delayed. Alright, this is the site. The first site we were allocated is in Kedah, Plus Highway North region, in region N3. So, for this one, the working hour is restricted from 2 a.m. until 6 a.m. only because it was standard operation procedure SOP provided by Plus to avoid any traffic congestion during the day. Alright, if any work performed above 6 a.m., the company will be fined for 10,000 ringgit Malaysia for every extended hour. Right, the next site is CIPR work. So most of our site is performing CIPR. The first one is SKBE, South Klang Valley Expressway. This next one is Jalan Binjai Sabak Bernam, and the next one is Jalan Masjid, Sungai Yu, Kuala Selangor. Alright. The first site is SKB, where total area of road to be repaid is 4,100 meters square. The second one is Jalan Binjai in Sabak Bernam, where the total area is 6,050 meters square. The third one is Jalan Masjid in Kampung Sungai Yu, where the total area is 4,200 meters square. Right, this is the latest one. The site was in Jalan Rawang, Besar Jaya, where work done is on the last Saturday, which include total area of 4,100 meters square. For additional information, most of the CIPR method was used as alternative for reconstruction of road for shorten the maintenance work period and cost, so that are their advantages. Right, this is the video of the milling and pave process. This one is milling. Then we use bobcat machine to debris cleaning, and the next one is tag coat spraying. After that, we paving using paver, and then compacting. The process is so simple and work is done. Alright, this is scope of work. Mill and pave first. Milling is the process of removing the at least part of the surface of a paved area such as road, bridge, or parking lot. Okay, the technical practiced during this activity is checking the dipping. So the first one is fast lane. Fast lanes required 50 mm for asphalt concrete bearing course only, and slow lane required 50 mm and 60 mm of bind the cost, because slow lane, the heavy vehicle will use the lane, so we need a thicker milling. So the next one is paving. Paving is an activity of laying asphalt concrete accordingly to the desired thickness on mill road or existing road. So it's also can be called as patching or resurface. Okay, the technical practice practiced during this activity is checking dipping, same as milling. The next one is premix pattern for company reference for premix order. Pattern calculation is length times width over weight of premix in tons. Okay, this is the scope of work for CIPR called in place recycling. CIPR use a recycling machine sacrifice the existing pavement layers to maximum depth of 250 mm, then adds either cement or bituminous material or both as stabilizing additive before laying it back to the same pavement in a single process. So the process is, the first one is grade line calculation and marking, and then cement spreading. Next one is mixing using stabilizer, which is stabilizer is CIPR machine. The next one is early stage compaction. The next one is grading, and the last one is final stage compaction. So this is a CIPR process. We can see it graphically. So the first one is grade line marking, and then cement spreading by general workers, and then mixing using CIPR machine or stabilizer. Then early stage compaction. After that, we grading to get a desired thickness on the surface, on the road surface. And then the final compaction, which is the final compaction means the work is done and we can smile. So this is technical practice for CIPR. This is an example of identification of amount of cement to be used per meter square. Density and cement percentage is provided by Ikram Laboratory from trial pit. From the result, Haris Zakwan used 5% design to be implemented in SKVE, the first site of CIPR, which result in 22 kg cement per meter square. To calculate the grade line length, we must obtain the area first. To obtain the area, total weight of cement in design should be divided by weight of cement required per meter square. For example, we want to use 6 bags in a grade line in some area. Thus, 6 bags of cement equal to 300 kilograms of cement. Since 1 bag is equal to 50 kilogram, we divided the weight with the weight of cement per meter square required, which provided by the client. Thus, we can obtain the length with basic mathematics by dividing the area with width of the road. So we can get the length per grade line. Alright, this is the short video for the CIPR process. Mengenangkan masa depan, ku harus kerja, oh mesti kerja, tiada apa yang percuma, yang lebih jika tiada kerja, oh Bapa kenanya. Hari-hari kerja, bosan dengan kerja, hidup adu kerja. Yeah, that's all. Work is none. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you very much.